Hey, good morning. Welcome to Horsley Retirement Adventures. Hey, today I'm at Trader Hill's boat ramp. That's what this is. Had to find a place to park. It's kind of crowded. And this is the St. Mary's River. That's just like a kickoff. I'm going to go try that area first. I've never been out here, ever. And so I figured I'd give it a try. I'm going to go downriver. That might be upriver. I don't know. And there's another small little pond that goes off the river, and it looks like the water's going out right now, so I don't know if I'll be able to get in there or not. But I'm definitely going to go try that. I'm going to say thank you for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe. Today I say shout out to my Desert Storm veteran buddies, and if any of them are watching, thanks for your service as well. And I think that's about it. This is my first time out here again. I want to try it, see what happens. Chris always says we catch fish when we don't know where we're going. So we're gonna go try it. Paul out. Okay, finally, after 3 hours, I got a fish. It's a big old gill. Whoa, look at that baby. That's a gill again. That's a brim right there, my man. Might have found something here. That is a monster. So I might have found a bedding, maybe. I'm not sure what I found, but I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna lock this baby in place here. Hey, come on. Throw an anchor out. Fish, first fish. Oh yeah. And let me tell you, folks, that's a brim. That is huge. We'll put him in the live well just in case I catch some more in another 3 hours. Look at that. Yes! I knew I could do it. I knew I could find some fish. I knew it. I'm telling you right now. And I did. Pull out. Okay, got another one. Oh no! Yes, brother. Crappie! Crappie master. Took me a while. He's a little guy. Put him in just in case. You know why? Because it keeps the water moving. You get a couple fish in that live well and the water moves, you don't have to turn your aerator on, nothing like that. So it's all good. It's a crappie. So, what's that mean? I'm going to stay here for a little bit and fish. Even though I don't have no food, still going to try some more. I got a little float. Fishing in, Chris will like this, 2 foot of water. And caught a crappie. So now, let's see if I can find some more. Seemed to be a bunch of fish, not a bunch, it just seems to be some fish right in there. So I'll stick around here for a little bit. I was really hoping to find the bluegill beds, but they might have already been done too. And one day a big bluegill might have just been out there by himself. Oh, I thought I had a bite. Well, this is the most action I've had so far, so I'm going to stay here for a little bit. Oh, got another fish. Another crappie. Little baby. It's a crappie. I'm whispering because I don't know why, but got another crappie. It's okay. It's a fine specimen. Crappie master. Okay, well there's little ones. Might be more. Could be bigger ones. Or there could be more little ones. I don't know. All I know is that I tried up and down this river to fish, and I finally found some fish. So I'm pretty happy. Don't look happy, but I'm pretty happy. He was up in the lily pad. Maybe I should try some more lily pads. Okay, I think I will. Since I'm all by myself, I talk to myself and I answer, and sometimes I'm right. Let's try these lily pads for a little bit. I mean, you would think there'd be some fish in here. I mean, look at those lily pads. Crying out loud. I want to go up here and see if I can do some digging up in here. Okay, I'm back in the back stuff. Back in the back stuff. That's what I am. See if I can get something out of here. And then I want. Oh! I did get something. Oh! Got another big gill. Oh yes! Big gill. Is that same size as the other one? Maybe they're back in here. What do you think? I don't know. I got about 20 minutes left. Let's see if I can catch more fish without hitting into everything I'm running into. Dose. Gills. Dose. Crappie. Yes, brother. See what else I can get. More to come, I hope. I hope. That's something way back in the back. I don't know what it is. Oh, another crappie. Yes. Crappie master. Who wants some? Too small to keep, but fun to catch. Because I'm out here by myself. Paul Solo. Look at he's posing. These fish know how to pose up here. All right, get back in there. Okay, what I've done is tied myself to a tree. Right there. And I'm just gonna sit here until it's time to go home. Because my belly is aching. And I'm hungry. Just flipping out about 2 foot of water there. I'm sitting in 9 foot. Flipping out in the shoreline over there. And yeah, we'll just see what happens. Yeah, I'm gonna try right there. In between the trees, it looks like I'm getting something. Something's playing with it. Oh, yeah. Ah! Lazy crappie. But a crappie. I'm just gonna let him go too. He's too small. He ate my crappie niblet. Crappie! They're definitely up in the shallow water, but there's not any big ones. So I'm just gonna keep on flipping in there. Keep on flipping. And you know, you never know. You never know until you go. Got something nice. Oh my goodness. You thought I had a big bluegill earlier? I hope I can get this baby in. Oh, holy mackerel. I'll tell you what. This guy's bigger than the other one. Another two. Look at that puppy. Whew. Doggy, I think, is fat. I can barely get my hand on him. Oh. Whew. Look at that brim. Look at the color on him. Man, that's huge. Yes. Shallow water, trolling by a tree. I'm not catching a lot, but the ones I'm catching are big and bloody. I thought that was a mudfish, to tell you the truth. I had no idea that that was a bluegill. Whew. That one wore me out. Guess what? On the way out, I did get another one right here. It's the old warmouth. Nothing huge, but it's a fish and it's a warmouth. Go to war, buddy. Caught him on the black chartreuse. Just kind of trolling around, heading back home, heading back to the launch. So I'm gonna keep doing that until I get up there. Maybe you'll see me catch another fish. Maybe I'll run out of battery. Cause I don't think I don't think I really want to go ahead and change batteries. Okay, I'm heading home, heading up the river to the launch site. I did okay. I didn't kill them, but I didn't get skunked. So thanks for watching. I appreciate anybody watching my channel. I also appreciate if you subscribe, because I need some subscribers. Like it, dislike it, hit the buttons, do whatever you need to do. It's a real windy day today, super windy. I'd like to be out here sometime, I think, when it's not so windy, and maybe bring some live bait and see if I can catch more of these great big brim. Because I'll tell you what, those are champion brims that I got. And yeah, that was fun. I just wish I'd have caught a whole bunch more. I'm saying goodbye because I got a little bit of battery left, and I'm heading up the river. If I run out, thanks a lot. If I catch them before now and then, you'll see. Uh-oh. You'll see that I broke off one more time. That's okay. Thanks for watching. Horsley out.